Greetings everyone, this is Kamisha from Kamisha's Corner and Sensational Touch. Just doing a little update on my urban garden, and my peppers are ready to be harvested. Look at them, aren't they pretty? They're a nice bright red. Got 1, 2, 3 that are ready to harvest. One that's still growing right there. And one that has just started right here. This one just started. And these other ones look like they're going to be growing soon. The flowers turn into the fruit, of course. And then we have 2 more flowers over here. But not all the other flowers turned into fruit. So sometimes they do and sometimes I guess they don't. But yes, we are going to be harvesting some peppers. Do you want to do the honors of harvesting, Akuya? I'm going to be putting them in our salsa and salad because I bought some salad. Akuya? Nana, do you want to do the honors of harvesting?
I don't know how to pluck them. Do I just rip them off?
Well, don't just rip them.
I mean, we'll rip them off.
I don't know how to pluck them. Do I just rip them off? Boy, I would assume you just got to twist it and I guess take it off. I really don't know, to be honest. Uh-oh, that don't look right. How do you get these off of here? Oh, there it goes.
Oh. What'd you do?
I kind of held the plant so it won't twist too much and then just made it go upwards. And then it snapped. Trying to do this with one hand is actually kind of difficult. Uh-oh. Okay, this one is not coming. Can you do this?
Yep.
So we got 1 pepper off. Trying to get off the other ones. And apparently those flowers on the basil plants were actually seeds. So I might have basil growing in with the shards because I sure did put it on there. So she got 1 out. I don't know if we picking these off right. That don't look like it came off good. Try to get it to look like this when it comes off.
Oh.
Yeah. See if you can pull it up like and snap.
That.
Oh, there we go. It snapped. I don't know why that one wouldn't snap.
I twisted this one, that's why.
Oh, I twisted them too.
I didn't pull it off. I just twisted it.
These are our little harvests.
The peppers, Aji.
From our little
Can I bite it?
urban garden. Well, you can if you want to. How is
They're
it?
Sweet.
They're sweet?
Really sweet.
Really? Okay, I'm gonna do a taste. No, don't put your hand in front of the camera.
That's just not in front of the camera.
Yes, it is.
Sorry.
Move.
Okay.
I want to taste it on camera. Oh yeah.
See,
really sweet.
They are really sweet.
Try to put sugar in this.
Yeah, those some sweet peppers.
You want some? The baby wants some. Just kidding.
Let's make the baby. Oh, he can't eat.
No, he can't. My daughter's funny.
I gave it to you
She's trying to give the baby pepper. The baby ain't got but 2 teeth, but she's trying to give peppers. So I just want to show you guys this because the tops of the wait, these pepper plants are in the way now. The tops of this right here are actually seeds. I found out when I was watching a video on basil, and they said those were the seeds. So I had taken some off and threw them in another pot. I'm like, oh, I didn't know they were seeds. I just thought they were flowers. Makes sense, because with the flower comes a fruit, with the fruit comes a seed. So I don't know what I was thinking. Anyway, we're going to be planting some more basil. And, all right, guys, I'll see you on the next